In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable or disable websites from using your camera on the Google Chrome web browser. Vertical bar PC tips. Begin by opening Google Chrome on your PC. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the browser window and click the three dots menu. This opens the main Chrome menu, where you will find several browser options. From that list, select Settings. On the Settings page, look at the menu on the left-hand side and click Privacy and Security. Next, click Site Settings. This page lets you manage permissions for individual website features such as location, microphone, notifications, and camera access. Scroll down until you reach the Permissions section, then click Camera. Here you will see the option called Sites Can Ask to Use Your Camera. Select that option if you want websites to request permission before accessing your camera. This is usually the best choice if you want to stay in control while still allowing access for websites you trust. When this setting is enabled, Chrome will prompt you whenever a site wants to use your camera, and you can decide whether to allow or block it. If you want to effectively disable website camera access, this is also the area to review, since camera permissions are controlled directly from this menu. That covers everything you need to know.